Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please permission, ma'am. May introduce myself. My name is Mohyahya Muimin. My class before itu regular in NIT 0820110107. Permission, ma'am. I will explain about in emergency power supply. Power supply is an electrical equipment that provides electrical energy and process IT in electronic device. In simple terms, the role of a power supply is to process the power source from the socket. The function of the power supply the function of the power supply is in addition to supplying electrical energy, which is to submit the voltage supplied from AC to DC with a voltage that is in accordance with the needs of each of these electronical devices. How to power supply component work and function. We can find out the working principle of a power supply by understanding the function of each component. There are at least 7 components in a power supply consisting of 4 main components, namely transformer, diode, capacitor, and voltage regulator IC, as well as 3 additional components including switches, fuses, and indicator like transformer. The transformer function to change the electric voltage for the power supply. The transformer use is a step down type whose task is to reduce the electric voltage from the power source. The input current from the power source, namely 2020 AC, is lowered by the transformer to become AC current with a smaller voltage diodes. Then there is a diode which acts to rectify the AC current into DC current. The way it works is that the half-wave AC current is blocked by a diode, so it will produce a half-wave DC current. In order for the rectification of the current to be effective, the diode used and the power supply should be the diode bright type. Capacitor. There is a capacitor in the power supply that acts to filter the unstable DC voltage from the diode bright, so that the current signal coming out the capacitor is even and stable. Voltage regulator is finally the IC regulator, which has a role to convert DC voltage into mature, stable, and ready to use electronic device. The output voltage generated by the power supply can be adjusted according to the needs of the electronic device that will flow, such as 5 VDC, 9 VDC, or 12 VDC. In general, power supply are divided into 3 major classifications, namely based on their function, based on their mechanical shape, and based on their conversion method. Power supply based on function. Number 1. Regulated power supply is a power supply that is able to control the stability of the voltage and electric current even though there are changes or variation in the load or power source input voltage and current. Number 2. Unregulated power supply is a power supply whose voltage or electric current can change when the load changes or the power source changes. Number 3. Adjustable power supply is a power supply whose current voltage can be adjusted as needed by using a mechanical knob. The adjustable power supply is also divided into two types, namely a regulated adjustable power supply and an unregulated adjustable power. Okay, Mom, I think enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.